53. Which detail provides the most relevant support for the claim that climate change is making it harder even to decide who the invaders are? Paragraph 7. The mention in paragraph 8 of non-native species that are forced to seek new habitats. Okay, we just looked at paragraph 8 in the last question. Let's go back up and check this again. This is where scientists at the symposium point out that native species or plants and animals are already moving to new environments, toward the poles, up mountains, and therefore into, I guess technically they could become non-native in that case. Should we consider them invasive in their new homes, is what the scientists at the symposium are asking. So that is support for the claim that climate change is making it harder to decide. They're literally asking if these new homes make these species invasive just because they're moving because of climate change. So that looks like a good supporting answer for the question condition. B, the acknowledgement in paragraph 9 that non-native species include many domestic crops. No, that has nothing to do with making it hard to decide what's invasive. C, the description in paragraph 11 of the interactions between native and non-native species. I don't know. Let's go check 11. I'm not 100% sure what that was about. 11. There are other examples. The endangered southwestern willow flycatcher nests in invasive tamarask shrubs. So there the invasive species is helping a native species. Many native Hawaiian flowers are now pollinated by the Japanese white-eye bird because the native pollinators. So these are two examples of non-native species helping, not invading, particularly the environment with other native species. So is this support? Does this answer the question? It doesn't really talk about climate change, so that's a problem with that answer. It shows that some non-natives can help, but is it making it harder to decide who the invaders are? No, it doesn't seem to be addressing that point. So I don't think C is correct. D, the account in paragraph 13 of an ecologist who changed his beliefs. No, just because some ecologist changed his beliefs does not support the claim that climate change is making it harder to decide who the invasive species are. Now, what makes that a problem is A, the mention in paragraph A, non-native species are forced to move to new habitats. And they're questioning there whether that means they're invasive or not, fundamentally. A is the correct answer for 53.